Guys, now I want to make this verb into the past tense. So we have to use the specific sign a before verb, then root form but, and then the pratyay of past tense. I have made the ready-made format for you. So the verb will be a, pa, tha, ma. So this parasmay pad in present tense and past tense are important for us to learn the use of sma in sentences. For example, in English, I have written one sentence, Ram goes. Its Sanskrit is Ramah gacchati. The past tense of this sentence, Ram went. Ram went. Now, I want to turn this sentence into the past tense. So, simply to turn this sentence into the past tense, after the verb, I am using only sma. The meaning of Ramah gacchati sma, it means Ram went. This is the specific use of sma in the present tense sentences to make the sentence into the past tense. The meaning of this sentence is as same as Ramah agacchata. Ramah gacchati sma is equal to Ramah agachat. So here we have to see how we use sma in the sentence and how we remove sma in the sentence using past form. Let me see here. I have written these verbs and using this one, first person, use sma in the sentence. I have, for example, I have taken only the verb and then we go on the sentences. This is first person, second, and dual form, and this is plural. Apatham, we say pa, tha, me. I am using this verb sma just after the present tense. I am using sma. Similarly, apathava, I remove a from the verb. I write patha vah sma. Simply to turn this verb to use sma, we have to remove a, we have to remove pratyay. Instead of this pratyay, we are using present tense pratyay. After the verb, we are using sma. Remove these two things, use these two things. Similarly, here, pa, remove a, tha, maha. I have used present tense parasmay pad pratyay in this verb and then sma. Use sma.